And of course we've got a vacant chair up there. That's right. So could I have you've moved that apology be accepted? Could I have a second, please, Councillor King? All those in favour, please say aye. Those against? Carried. Item 2, conflicts of interest. Any conflicts of interest items today? And also no conflicts of interest. We have an urgent late item that we've received, a late agenda item which will be considered in the confidential part of the meeting. The title of the item is Licence to Occupy Assignment. Because the item was received outside normal agenda timeframes, there was a need to formally add it to the agenda. Therefore, I propose the following resolution. There's a resolution there that I'll quickly read out. Pursuant to section 46A, Local Government Official Information and Meetings Act 1987, the following item be added to the agenda as confidential item 6.4 and dealt with at the meeting as it was not available at the time the agenda was circulated. Consideration of the item is a matter of urgency requiring a decision without delay to enable Council to meet deadlines, finalise decisions and receive information with agreed timelines. So I'd like to move that if I could have a second. Thank you, Councillor Park. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Those against? Carried. Item number 3, confirmation of the meeting of the Ordinary Council meeting on the 27th of June, 3.1. Do we have any clarification of those minutes at all?
Through the Chair.
Councillor Wilson.
Just regarding 5.5, it's not really necessarily an issue, but had a really passionate conversation with former Councillor Andrew Welsh regarding his involvement with the as chair of the Land Purchase Committee with the ETA some years ago. I just thought I'd just actually mention that just for the record.
So
he had no issue with the naming of the road, but I just want to just be acknowledged that he was involved. He was actually an integral part of that.
Okay, cool. All right. Thank you, Councillor Wilson. Any other letters of clarification of these minutes? In the case, could I have a mover, please, for those minutes? Councillor, moved by Councillor Park, seconded by Councillor King. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Against? Carried.